Hey there, this is Troublemaker Bricks with another Lego set review. And as I'm trying to make adjustments to this so we can get this in frame. So bear with me here a little bit. But anyways, this set here is 7671 AP Walker. Came out in 2008. 384 pieces, 2 minifigures. So you got one on top, a red clone trooper. Printing's pretty nice. Ammo pack, printing on the back. I like it. They went with a black head with a cutout helmet, which I thought was kind of cool. You get the same trooper inside. Same here. Blackhead trooper. I like the minifigures. This build, I could do, you know what, heck with it. Half of it's falling apart as I'm moving it around. So anyways, this is the back end. Nothing really fancy except the neon colors. Well, let's see how we can do this. There's the inside. Not too bad, not too shabby. Has a nice little place for the holders. This looks like the energy cell. Here's the this comes out to give you the trifold, or the there you have it. This can go up and down, side this up and down. This has the gun turret. It can go up and down. This one here swings side to side, and not too bad. I mean, I like the build, but I'm going to be honest with you, I don't particularly care for it. If I didn't buy it, I would not go out of my way to buy it. Because it looks like the back end of this vehicle here. It does look like the back end of this vehicle, of the ATTE Walker. I would put that back together like it's supposed to, but I'm going to be tearing it apart and storing it. So anyway, the instructions were pretty nice, pretty easy. I mean, but overall, as a set, if it came out today, I would not be buying it. If you have it, that's great, but you're really not missing anything if you don't have it. Unless you're in the Clone Wars stuff. But besides that, that's it for this review. I like it, but yeah, I don't like it. To say that I have it is okay, but I just would not be buying it if it came out today. So anyhow, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Let me know what you think of this set. Let me know what you think of the Clone Wars Lego line in general. I'd like to hear from you. And yeah, that's it for now. Take it easy. Stay out of trouble. Bye.